Hey, welcome in everybody. So in this video, I am going to be going through exercise 8-2 where it says modifying the project model exterior elevations. So what I want to do here is we are going to double click on the east elevation. And I'm going to zoom in down here, this bottom brick area here. And we're going to place a window. So I'm going to go to window. I'm looking for a fixed window, but not just any fixed window. We want the 32 by 48, which is here. And I'm going to zoom in even closer. So I want to place this window where that little dashed line is at the bottom. Where is it? Right there. So you can barely see that dashed line. So make sure you place your window on top of that dashed line. And I'm going to kind of move my mouse over where it says 4'8", like the book, right about there. I'm going to left click, place it down. Let me hit the modify to cancel out of that. Now, let's see what we got to do. Okay, so now it says we want to look at the first floor, or level 1, just to verify that we do have a window there. If it decides to show up, yeah, I probably don't want all this fanciness here. So I'm going to change my view style to hidden line. I'm going to zoom in. So there's our window that we place in. So we can place a window in a floor plan, or we can place it in an elevation as well. But I'm going to left click this window and flip these arrows to the outside, like so, really quick. And then we need to go back to our east elevation. We're going to add some more windows in here. So I'm going to go back to my window, my fixed window. The one that I want's already there. So I'm just going to drag this over. So that is 8'8" from center to center. I'm probably not going to get it 8'8" just by kind of eyeballing it. So I'm just going to left click and place it in there. And then where you see this dimension here, I'm going to change that to 8. So now we're good there. Let me hit modify to get out of that command. So we have two windows there. They're 8'8" apart. I want to go on the other side now and place the same window. I want this, make sure you look for the little dashed line there. Where are you at? Where are you at? I saw it a while ago. Now it's trying to hide. There it is. So I'm just going to kind of randomly place two windows here. Just make sure they're lined up on that the seal line. Hit the modify. So I want to click this window. And I want to make sure that from the book, move this dot to the front face of that building if I can, right there. That brick has me all confused. So from there to here, the center, that's going to be 5'4". And select this window. And so from center to center, this needs to be 8 feet 8 inches. So now we're good there. So now what I can do is before I copy that, let me look at the level 1. I think we're good there. I don't think I have any window conflict with that. Yeah, so our window missed that wall there, so I don't need to worry about what they're talking about. Error conflict, so we're good there. Now we need to go to the ceiling plan. So I'm gonna left click on level 1 ceiling plan. We don't need to edit that because we didn't move that wall like what they're talking about in the book. So I'm good there as well. So now what I want to do is I'm going to just copy those windows. Let me go back to my east elevation. I'm going to select these 4 windows by holding down the control key. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go to clipboard, copy, and then I'm going to hit the arrow underneath the paste, and I'm going to go to align to selected levels, and I want to align those to level 2. Hold the control key down and select level 3 as well. Click OK. Now notice when we copied these, the window tags didn't copy with it, but that's okay. And now what we want to do is we're going to copy those, or we're going to mirror those to the opposite side. So can I do that in a 3D view? No, that's kind of risky. Let me look at a level 1. Go to level 1. We'll just do this kind of one floor at a time. Oh, and also make sure that the windows, that double arrows flip to the outside. Like so. That one's good. So now I'm just going to hit the control key down. Hold control key down while I select these 4 windows. Hit the mirror. My mirror line is still here. Let me zoom out so we're good there. Hit modify. Okay, we're good on that. We're good on the first floor. Level 2, I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to select, oh, before I do that, let me flip these windows to the exterior side. That way when I mirror them, they'll be where they should be. So I'll hold the control key down for 1, 2, 3, those 4 windows. We're going to mirror. Here's my mirror line. We're good there. Hit modify. I'm going to go to the level 3 and do the same thing, but again, make sure you flip these windows to the exterior side. Now we can select each of those windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the mirror. Click this mirror line. We're good to go. Let me look at a 3D view. All good there. All good there. Let's see what else the book wants us to do. I think we're good there. We kind of missed some steps because the windows didn't conflict with the walls like they may be talking about in the book. I don't know if that means I didn't do it correctly the first time, or maybe, I don't know, but we got lucky on that, so we didn't have to do any of that editing the ceiling plan and all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you save what you have and come on back in the next video. We'll keep going on this. We're gonna get this finished. I guarantee it we will. Well, I hope we will anyway. All right, peace out.